When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your Glendale home, choosing the right window style can make a significant difference. Bow windows are a stunning option that can elevate the look of any home, seamlessly blending with the diverse architectural styles found throughout Glendale. Known for their elegance and functionality, bow windows offer a unique design that not only enhances curb appeal but also improves the overall feel of your living space. In this article, we'll explore why bow windows are an ideal choice for Glendale homes and how they can complement the city's architectural styles while adding value and charm to your property. Complementing Glendale's architectural diversity, Glendale is home to a variety of architectural styles, from traditional craftsman and colonial revival homes to sleek mid-century modern and contemporary designs. One of the key benefits of bow windows is their versatility, making them a perfect fit for many of these architectural styles. For homes with a more traditional or classic look, bow windows add a touch of sophistication and charm. The rounded, multi-pane design of the window enhances the timeless appeal of craftsman or colonial revival homes, creating a cozy, inviting feel. For more contemporary homes, bow windows add depth and interest to the exterior, creating a sense of modern luxury without overwhelming the home's overall aesthetic. No matter the style of your Glendale home, bow windows can be tailored to fit your design preferences, allowing you to achieve the perfect balance of form and function. Maximizing natural light and expansive views. One of the primary advantages of bow windows is the abundance of natural light they provide. Unlike traditional flat windows, which only offer limited views, bow windows project outward, allowing light to pour into your living space from multiple angles. This not only brightens up the room but also creates a more open, airy feel, ideal for homes in Glendale, where outdoor beauty and natural light are highly valued. With bow windows, you can enjoy panoramic views of your surroundings, whether it's your backyard, the scenic hills surrounding Glendale, or the city's vibrant neighborhoods. Whether you live in a quieter residential area or near the bustling heart of the city, bow windows frame the landscape beautifully, bringing the outdoors in and offering an ever-changing view throughout the day. Increasing curb appeal and home value. Curb appeal is an important consideration for homeowners in Glendale, as it can greatly impact the perception of your property and even its resale value. Bow windows, with their graceful, curved design, instantly add architectural interest and beauty to your home's exterior. Their distinctive appearance sets your home apart from others, making it a standout feature that draws the eye and enhances the overall visual appeal of your property. Additionally, the charm and elegance of bow windows can increase your home's value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with eye-catching features like these, which not only enhance the exterior but also contribute to the overall aesthetic and livability of the home. By installing bow windows, you're making an investment that can pay off when it comes time to sell, helping your property retain its value and appeal. Providing extra space and functionality. In addition to their beauty, bow windows are also highly functional. The curved design of the window creates additional interior space, which can be utilized in various ways. Whether you add a cozy seating area, a small reading nook, or decorative plants, bow windows provide the opportunity to make the most of the extra space they offer. This added space is especially valuable in homes where every square foot counts. For example, in Glendale's many charming bungalows or smaller homes, bow windows can give the illusion of a larger, more open room, making your living space feel more expansive and welcoming. The extra room created by bow windows allows you to create a space that is both beautiful and functional, giving your home more versatility. Energy efficiency and comfort. While bow windows are visually appealing, they are also designed to be energy efficient. Modern bow windows are often constructed with multiple panes of glass and insulated frames, which help to reduce heat transfer and improve the overall energy efficiency of your home. This is especially beneficial for Glendale homeowners, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year. By reducing the amount of heat that escapes during the colder months and preventing hot air from entering during the summer, bow windows can help maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. This leads to lower energy costs, as your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain your desired indoor climate. Energy-efficient windows are not only environmentally friendly but also help to reduce your monthly energy bills, making them a smart investment in the long run. Low maintenance and durability. Bow windows are not just beautiful and functional, they are also low maintenance and built to last. Many modern bow windows are made with durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, which require minimal upkeep compared to traditional wood windows. These materials are resistant to fading, rotting, and weathering, ensuring that your windows continue to look great and function properly for years. Additionally, the design of bow windows makes them easy to clean, as the multiple panes of glass are typically installed with tilt-in or removable features that allow for simple cleaning from the inside. This ease of maintenance makes bow windows a practical choice for homeowners who want a stylish, low-effort solution for their home. Conclusion. Bow windows offer a unique blend of beauty, functionality, and practicality that makes them the perfect choice for Glendale homeowners. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's architectural style, improve natural light and views, increase energy efficiency, or add extra space, bow windows deliver numerous benefits that make them a valuable addition to any home. By investing in bow windows, you can enhance your home's curb appeal, improve its overall comfort, and create a more inviting living space that seamlessly connects you to the outdoors. If you're ready to transform your home with the elegance and functionality of bow windows, consult with a professional window installer in Glendale to find the perfect design for your needs.